Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to new session and entry to new class, the third year MBBS. I am Dr. Parvez Iqbal, Professor of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology at Akhtar Saeed Medical College. I will be delivering lecture in this subject on the topics assigned throughout the academic session. And the topic today is Introduction to Toxicology. In the morning, you have been given introduction of the subject by Professor Shahid Hanif, the Head of Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology. So you know that it consists of two parts. Number one, forensic medicine, and number two, toxicology. Coming to toxicology, it's further divided into number one, general toxicology and special toxicology. General toxicology deals with general aspects and general principles, and special toxicology deals with study of specific poisons along with their medico-legal aspects. Now, what is medico-legal aspects? These will be described or explained in detail later, but now it's enough to understand that they are the aspects of poisoning which deal with law. First, I will take up general toxicology and complete it in 5 lectures. Later on, special toxicology or individual poisons will be taught to you by both teachers, Professor Shahid Sahib and myself, throughout the session. According to table of specification by the University of Health Sciences, in prof exam you will get 9 SCQs and 45 MCQs from this subject, out of which 3 SCQs will be from toxicology and 15 MCQs from toxicology. Now these are further divided into general and special portion of toxicology. 1 SCQ from general out of 3, 1 will be from general toxicology, and 5 MCQs out of 15 will be from general toxicology. 2 SCQs will be from special toxicology and 10 MCQs also from special toxicology. So that was distribution of topics and questions according to table of specifications. Now, what will be sources of study which you will study from? From the sources which you need for study, they are the books recommended by UHS, practical notebook, and lectures delivered by teachers. The books recommended are Parikh's textbook of Medical Jurisprudence and Toxicology, 7th edition, chapters 36, this is for general toxicology, and chapters 39 to 65 for special toxicology. Practical notebook is printed, it has printed matter, and also there will be dictation to you by teachers. So this you have to study for the exam. Number third source is lectures by teachers. You have to listen them attentively and note down the important points, and then you can study book and you will better understand. So next topic or slide I am going to touch is what is general toxicology. But before that, you need to know what is toxicology itself, because it is toxicology which is divided into general and special. So toxicology, it's derived from Greek word toxikon, which was a poisonous substance applied to arrowheads of arrows, and logos means knowledge or study. So toxicology means science or study of poisons. This was a brief definition, but there is another detailed definition of toxicology. It can be defined as the science which deals with poisons with reference to their sources such as plants or animals, their properties which may be physical, chemical and biological, their mode of action, that is how they act in the body and cause harm, then what symptoms and signs they produce, that means their adverse effects on structure and function of tissues and cells and systems of the body. Fatal dose, that means the dose which can cause death, and fatal period, that is from the onset or start of action of poison till the death of the patient or victim. Diagnosis and treatment, their method of detection and estimation in laboratory, and autopsy findings or post-mortem examination, that means the examination of dead body. Toxicology is also concerned with law regarding their sale and prescription and medico-legal aspects of harmful effects of poisonous substances. Now coming to general toxicology, the contents or themes or subtopics will be following. Number 1, the important definitions such as definition of poison, poisoning, toxicity and others. Number 2, branches of toxicology, that is it's further divided into parts. Number 3, classification of poisons, that is how they are divided into groups. Number 4, action of poisons, that means how they act when they enter the body of the user. Number 5, route of administration of poisons, which can be also called methods of administration, that means how they enter in the body. Number 6, fate of poisons, that means what happens to them in the body. Number 7, factors which modify action of poisons. Number 8, diagnosis of poisoning. Number 9, duties of a doctor in poisoning cases, that includes medical and legal duties. Number 10, treatment of poisoning. That means different methods of treatment will be told. And number 11, analytical toxicology. That is lab analysis or tests for detection of poisons. All are important and will be discussed in detail in next 5 lectures. So these headings or themes make up what we called general toxicology. It forms the basis of special toxicology, that means study of specific poisons. And unless you know general toxicology, it will be very difficult for you to understand and grasp the concepts in special toxicology. So, what is the importance of toxicology? It's very important because in our society, doctors, they are well versed with causes of disease such as infections and other environmental causes, but they are not well versed with toxic effects of substances, even drugs, which can cause great damage to body and make them sick. This is one aspect. The other aspect is intention of person, that means legal aspect, because sometimes poison is given to a person to kill him or to cause serious harm to him. So this aspect of poisoning deals with law. That is why medico-legal aspect of poisoning is very important, and doctor has to be trained in that. So this subject is basically preparing doctors to know about this medico-legal aspects and to serve the purpose of law and justice. With that, I conclude my first lecture. Again, welcome to new class. The question for today to mark your attendance is, what is toxicology? Now send your answers in the class group on WhatsApp till 11:30 a.m. So this lecture starts at 8:30 and you have enough time to send your attendance, so that don't delay it beyond 11:30. Thank you very much.